my channel. Today I want to show you Nigerian Egusi soup, the family style. So guys can see all the recipe here. Here I have dry fish, stockfish, pomo, and here I have pepper, crayfish. I have stock cube here and salt, and this is egusi. I've already mixed it with water. So let's start. Here I have stock in the fire here, you can see. So I'm using chicken stock. So when you use stock in your soup, that soup will be very delicious, very sweet. So I'm using stock. So the thing I will do now is to season the stock. So I will pour the stockfish, dry fish, and the pomo. I'll pour it because I've already cleaned them. I'll now pour the crayfish. I'll now pour the pepper. And put the salt and the stock cube. So I'll now put red oil. That is palm oil, you can see. Now put palm oil. After seasoning it, you cover it, allow all the ingredients that you put in the stock to done very well before putting the egusi. So I will cover it now like 20 minutes so that the thing will be done well before putting egusi. Keep watching. So guys, let's check the soup. Wow, you can see it's boiling. It's time now to put the egusi that I mixed. You guys can see. So I'm going to put the egusi now. After putting the egusi, I'll leave it like 25 minutes so that the egusi will done very well. You see the way I'm putting it. See? After mix it, some fry their own, but I didn't fry it. I mix it with water. It's not hot water, it's room temperature. That is normal water from tap. You use it and mix it. You put it like this, you cover it. It's done. So put it. So after put it like this, I will cover it like 20 minutes to done. So guys, let's check the soup. Wow, you can see it's done. So the reason why I didn't put the leaf, you know, when you put the leaf and you leave it and you keep it in the fridge, the leaf will not be fresh. So when you cook it like this, you leave it to cool, then you portion it and put for fridge. So anytime you want to make your swallow and you pick one, then you put your leaf, you season it, you garnish it with the leaf. You can put any meat you like. You can put chicken, goat meat, red beef meat, any meat you like you can put. So that's why I use stock and everything to cook. So I didn't cook it with meat, because if I put meat inside, the thing will soft, and you won't like the meat. So you cook the soup and leave it to cool. You portion it and put in the fridge. Anytime you want to prepare it, you pick it, you garnish it. Then you can use any meat you like. So that is all for Nigeria Egusi family style. You can see all the rich inside. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to your loved one. See you in my next video. Bye.